Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Haley, and on my channel I love to share tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, homemaking videos. And today we are going to be doing some more spring cleaning. We are going to be spring cleaning the downstairs bathroom, which mainly is Trajan's bathroom, and then a bathroom we just use if we're downstairs playing. He has all of his clothes and things downstairs since it can't fit upstairs, so he primarily uses this bathroom, and so it kind of gets gross because it gets more neglected because I'm not using it all the time. I mean, I do go in and I like look at it and I'm like, oh, I need to clean it, but that's usually when like the kids are playing, and trying to clean the bathroom with them down there, it would just be chaos. So I then put it off. So that's kind of what happens there. So today we are going to be cleaning it, and I will say today is a day that I was cleaning and I definitely could have done more, but that is okay. I just did what I could, and that's really all that matters. You can always do the other things later, maybe just do the specific thing that you missed just another time, so that way it's not feeling as overwhelming. On this particular day, I had gotten up and then we ate breakfast. It was a weekend, and I knew that I needed to kind of get up and get going. I didn't do my early morning workout. I waited until later. I actually hadn't even worked out at this point. I wanted to get the cleaning done first, but I needed to get my bathrooms clean because we were going to dinner with our friends and doing just like an adults only dinner without the kiddos, and so my sister and brother-in-law were coming over to watch the kids, so I wanted to make sure the bathrooms were clean for them. So I thought, let me just do some spring cleaning, but because I had already done some cleaning, that's why I didn't do as much in here, but I still did quite a bit. But definitely felt good to just get this done. Anyways, we're just starting out with these walls. I'm using my dish soap, vinegar, and water mixture to clean everything, and then we're also going to be doing the playroom too. I did part of it one day, and then the next day I did some more. So we're just going to start getting this bathroom nice and cleaned up, so that way it can just be refreshed for spring. Moving on into this shower, I couldn't think of what it was called, giving it a good scrub. It's definitely a hard place to film, so I didn't share much of me cleaning it because it is so hard to show you actually cleaning the space. But it definitely didn't take me too long to get this bathroom clean, so that was definitely nice. But once I get this done, we're going to start to move into these floors, sweep, and then I'll hand scrub them as well, and then we'll actually just move right on into doing the playroom. But I did want to mention, if you happen to get close to like seeing my nails, I kind of kept everything far back in this video because it was such a tight space. I had painted my nails the day before and they were like purple. All of them were purple. And after I had got done cleaning the upstairs bathroom and the downstairs bathroom, I noticed that my left thumb was like kind of gray, and then the rest of my left hand was the purple that it normally was, and my whole right hand was gray. And I was like, maybe it's just the cleaner I used, but I am left-handed. So I would think, because I'm always using my left hand, mainly, that the left hand would be the one that would change color. And I was like trying to talk to my sister because she does her own nails at home all the time. And she's like, that's really weird. Like, did you use bleach or something? And I'm like, no, like I used vinegar. That's like the only product that I think would like kind of do that. She's like, I've never cleaned with vinegar really. So she's like, maybe that's what it is. So I've kind of just been living with my hand with one right hand gray and then 4 left purple and then 1 gray, and then I didn't have time to change it on this day, and I knew trying to do my nails with the kids up is just a disaster, so I ended up just leaving it and hoped that nobody really noticed at dinner. And then I still have actually left them now, and we'll see when I end up changing them. I think I'll just have to sand them, like get the top coat off and then do a base coat and then add the color again, and I'm gonna hope that it works. Here, I just spilt my water, and because Stanleys aren't spill proof, I made a big mess, but it ended up being okay. But I am also just continuing washing the walls. I figured while I already had my mop water, actually I redid my mop water, but while I just had my mop out, I might as well just mop these floors because I was wanting to get this done anyways. And I definitely could have done more in this space cleaning wise, but like I said, I just wasn't feeling it. And then I even thought like the next day when I continued, I would do a little bit more, but I just kind of got to where I was like, I'm kind of over it. I've been spring cleaning so long, and just cleaning, too much ends up burning you out. So I figured I would just clean the walls, and then I was going to deep clean the washer and dryer area, clean back behind it. And Trajan was taking a nap, and I didn't want to wake him up, so I just decided that I would just do it another day, and I think that ended up working out good. I didn't push myself to do too much. I just was able to get what I needed done. And I was really trying to figure out a good time to do these carpets because I didn't want it to be super late at night and have the kids not be able to wake up. So having Trajan home and being able to do it then really did work out so he could be upstairs with the kids. And I did it at a time where we were going to be going to my parents' house for dinner. So that way we weren't really going to be coming home and wanting to play. Downstairs, we were just going to be getting ready for bed. So I figured that was a good time I could let things kind of dry, and then the next day we could play. So you'll see in just a second, I've moved a bunch of things. I decided not to move everything off the walls, off the floor, but I did move some things, and I'm just going to give the floors a good vacuum, and then I will go through with my carpet cleaner and just clean the floor area that I've kind of emptied. And next time I carpet clean, I'll try to move more, but the things that kind of stayed the same, I figured I would just leave for now, and I can always do that a different day of going where I didn't carpet clean, and it would just be okay. But that's kind of it for this video. We're just going to finish vacuuming and doing the carpets. Sorry if you can hear Waverly, she's being very loud right now. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and got tons of cleaning motivation. Let me know if you did, and stay tuned because we have one more room that we're going to be cleaning, and it is the living room, and then I'll have my house spring clean and it'll feel so good. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you in my very next one. Bye!